Hi everyone. Today we are going to start with a new series, understanding the basic accounting terminologies. So why it is important to know the basic accounting terminologies and understand them better. So it is considered basically mastering the language of business. Once you know these terminologies, it will not only help you in your personal finance but also in your professional life. It will help you to take decisions quickly and informed. How? When you know these terminologies like return on investment, assets, capital, or liabilities, etc., you will be able to take decisions basis data rather than gut feeling. At work also, when you know the financial statements, you will be able to review them properly, the performance of the organization, and provide the cost improvement ideas to the management. Also, in your personal life, you will be able to understand where you are spending, what are your expenses, what are your where you are spending, and you can control them properly. Not only in taking the informed decisions, it also helps you with the enhanced communication. You, as a business owner, you are able to better communicate with your accountants, lenders, investors, when you know these accounting jargons, and it will help you reduce the chances of any miscommunication. It builds a professional trust. In terms of legal compliances and regulatory safety as well, when you know what are your legal obligations, what are the regulatory requirements of the organization, you know these terms, you are able to comply with them. And not only that, it also helps as an entrepreneur. So, when you are securing finance and you know what is the ratio, what are the matrices which are very important to look at, you will be able to secure finances timely and better. You will be able to communicate your point of view better. So this is fundamental for entrepreneurs. And also, as a controlling business, when you know what are the fixed expenses, what are the variable cost happening, you are able to manage your business well, and you know what is the liquidity position, what is the cash flow, so you can make your expansion plans accordingly. So these were the benefits of knowing these key fundamentals or key accounting terminologies into your business and professional life. Not only that, it also helps you in your career advancements. When you go higher up in the ladder, not only as an accountant but as an other professional also, when you know these terminologies, you are better able to look at the financials of the organizations, review them, and provide your feedback and make informed decisions as well. It gives you an edge in any industry you are. It gives you an edge going up the ladder. So I hope that helps you to understand the importance of learning these basic concepts and basic terminologies. Do tune into for understanding them. Thank you. So how it will help you as in the career advancement? Even if you are not an accountant, it will make you an attractive candidate for the higher positions, where you will be able to review the financials and provide your inputs for the decision making. And also in the industry